your band dog, man a killer.
Yeah.
I'm missing on my heart with the pussy figure. Strike out with the rapid fire.
What?
Yeah, I get them nightmares like Freddy Krueger.
Yeah.
Some boys
Strike out.
Reaction.
What's up YouTube, it's your boy Tevin Vlogs aka The Reaction. Back in another video for you guys. Right now I have Keef song called Grimey official music video. You ready for that video? Cheer for the like button right now, you see me I say. Before the video even begin, hit song. Hit song. Where the order it is, you see me I say the video gonna drop now, make us see what I go on. Keef. You see me I say go subscribe to Keef on YouTube. Keef6 Vevo. Check it out. Link down below in the description for the Instagram, everything, but check out Keef. Make you know the reaction bar send over this. But let's chat things on. Run. Tune. Right now, if the song body wants to be a fire emoji. Go on. Go. What? Brooklyn, New York.
I don't know, but that shit fat. I'm trying to kill
Miami squad.
Heavy dog. What?
What's this? That shit violent.
Music sir. Trinidad. Keef dog. You tell yourself. Nah, you gotta turn that up, boy. You gotta turn it up. Police.
Hey.
Yo, cash man. Trinidad. Me that go Grimey. Anytime you're this way, I get plenty. I fill up with the key and you back plenty.
Hey.
Johnny pussy them try style way. None of them boy them can't wild way. Squeeze from the trigger, move militantly. East side man them move gently. Hey, all the pussy them play. All of me like.
May I buy the watch too? It's alright. May I buy the watch too, Mr. Keef? It's okay. It's okay. So next music video, may I forward to New York. Because me want to do the video. But let's chat things and run it through. Go on.
This flat push it when I get time to response. As a demand is gone, I flip up on the lip and the litter. Anywhere we go, we have to rest it on ya. Call on the rifle and they big my tick too. East side man, them flat bush too. Hey,
big up east side man, them and the flat bush man, them. Cause anywhere they got them on them. Hey, hold on, me hear what I say again. Hold on. Go on.
Hey, all the pussy them play. All of me lies on my real man.
All of them.
This flat bush when I get time.
Flat bush.
As a demand is gone, I flip up on the lip and the litter. Anywhere we go, we have to rest it on ya. Call on the rifle and they big my tick too. East side man, them flat bush too.
Hey.
Hey, and if I were there, gonna get tick too. We never full of the pressure. We don't pick up my dog and think we have other. Man, choke with the rifle and the copper. Send it to the sky, make you fly like a chopper. Into the clip on your face. The blood clot bars my cow when they race. Some of them are dark and some of them are.
Yo, me a vibe too. But me a vibe too much. I let people give her the. Yo, me a vibe too much, yo. Yeah, toss on the song, people. Right now, say if you think that song is shot. I want to see be a fire emoji in the comment section, like. Be a fire emoji in the comment section right now if you think the song is shot. You see me I say. Be a fire emoji. Go on, because I survive. And it's shot to the part, the fact that I survive, I go on so. That's a vibe, you see me? That's all I vibe, brother. No chattings today. That's all I go on.
And them are ready for the blood clot base. From the boy this the leg before the body in a tree. She mother ball out and she feel feeling. Some boy them have to stay in a daily. Rifle with the scopes and the pussy in a grave. And you take that boy you lay down flat. None of them not bad, them a pussy cat. If you read between the lines, I'm a dark and chat. Circle the hands with you.
I didn't know bad, them a push cat. I didn't know bad. Rifle with the scope. I said them down like, what?
Any boy this way they get gunshot. Fat pussy girl up in a blood clot chat. Some boy them have to be that. Pick up me dogs and see that. Trinidad man, we you know about that. Pick up me dogs and Antigua. We link some shunk, you don't see that. From your band dog, man a killer. I'm missing on my heart with the pussy.
Oh, well now, pause. Keef, you come with a different flow again, Mr. Keef. Mr. Keef. And them 3, 4 that now, dog. You want so bad. But people want to take that time to check out Keef, you see me and say. Check him out on YouTube, you see me and say. Keef6 Vevo. You see me and say, go follow him on Instagram, everything to him socials, like a bit down below in the description of this video. Check out Keef. Give that saying you're listening, you see me and say, comment some fire emoji on that saying. Go subscribe to him Vevo channel, people. Keef is up next, as you can see right now.
From your band dog, man a killer.
Yeah.
Crime missing on my heart with the pussy finger. Strike out with the rapid fire. Yeah, I get them nightmares like Freddy Krueger. Some boys
strike out. I catch a party. Look, catch a party today.
Man a killer.
Yeah.
Crime missing on my heart with the pussy finger.
Yeah.
Strike out with the rapid fire.
Strike out with the rapid fire.
Yeah, I get them nightmares like Freddy Krueger.
We are getting nightmares like Freddy Krueger.
Some boy feeling bad, rise up the key dog from Trinidad.
Some boy feeling bad, rise up the key dog from Trinidad. Alright then, catch it now. Go on.
Strike out like fire. Yeah, I get them nightmares like Freddy Krueger. Some boy feeling bad, rise up the key dog from Trinidad.
Oh, Trinidad.
Alright. Listen on my heart with the pussy finger. Strike out with the rapid fire. Yeah, I get them nightmares.
Strike out with the rapid fire. Get it up.
From a band dog, man a killer. Strike, listen on my heart with the pussy finger. Strike out with the rapid fire. Yeah, I get them nightmares like Freddy Krueger. Some boy feeling bad, rise up the key dog from Trinidad. Press my dogs, I go send your man. I go send your man. Me that go Grimey. Anytime you this way, get that day. You pull up with the key and the Mac 90. Put your honey pussy, them try style way. You know them boys that can't mind me. Squeeze when the trigger move my little tiny. This side man that move gently. They know she pussy them pray.
Mad. Drop your thoughts down below in the comment section, people. Listen me and say, keep representing from Trinidad, straight out of New York, Brooklyn, New York. You know the vibe. It's a lit. I like the video cleans. Everything big. Everybody forget them big up right. That's about the video clean, dog. Listen me and say, I don't know. Keep coming with the best drip fresh for the girls them. Girls them to keep them. I say so. Oh my God! If you know what reaction boss sign out, please guys, every link I said down below in the description of this video. Check out Keefs all over the internet. Make you know say, yo, Keef up next. That's all I'm telling you. Reaction boss signing out.